Many home and business owners in Mobile are also making repairs.
WKRG News 5's Christina J. Harris talked with one business owner who describes it as the worst flooding he's ever seen. And it happened on a street that just had its drainage improved.
This is what Broad Street looked like on Sunday when the floodwater started rising. Krishna Taming, one of the owners of Downtown Liquors, says there wasn't much time to react. His liquor store is located on Broad Street near Old Shell Road. The water came rushing through the doors, and Taming couldn't do anything to stop it.
I've been here since 5-6 years. I never saw that kind of the flood.
Taming says the floodwaters damaged display cases and shorted out some of the electronics inside the store.
The water was around my car's tire. That's I think that's almost a couple of feet.
Now the owners of Downtown Liquors aren't the only folks trying to recover from this weekend's flooding.
Cooler, in the store, in the back store, everywhere is water. City, they have to fix the drain.
Jennifer Green with the city of Mobile says the city used $18.2 million to renovate the drainage, sewage, and infrastructure on several streets in Mobile, including Broad Street. The multi-million-dollar upgrades didn't stop the flooding, but Green believes things could have been much worse without them.
Obviously, it would have taken a really long time for that level of water in a historic flood event where the system gets completely overwhelmed. There's nothing you can do to design a system that works with a historic rain event like we had on Sunday. Having the water recede between 1 and 2 hours is exactly what we're looking for.
Green says the renovations are built to handle normal amounts of rain and not record-breaking levels like we saw on Sunday. Taming says he's glad the flooding just put a small damper on his liquor store. The shop is back open and is back to business as usual. In Mobile, Christina J. Harris, WKRG News 5.